Hello there everyone, I'm Lydia and I'm so excited to introduce the metallic watercolour pan set from Altenew. The pan set includes 14 rich vibrant metallic colours. They are all opaque, so they're great for painting on dark cardstock as well as light cardstock. The colours included are sterling silver, gold pearl, enchanted gold, rhodolite, rose quartz, jade, prazurolite, aquamarine, topaz, amethyst, bronze, citrine, copper and garnet. There is a beautiful rainbow array of metallic colours that you can use on all of your projects. You can also mix these together to create your own shades if you so wish. All of the colours come in a metal tin case, which is great for storing them. There is also room for a paintbrush, and also there is a little flip out that includes a palette so you can mix your own colours. We really do hope that you are as excited as we are about the metallic watercolour pan set. We hope that you have fun and create many beautiful designs using this set.